sky, watching all the colors come alive, come alive. You got, I can't get enough and I can't stop. Something started, got me feeling new. Get on up, get ready now and move. Get ready, get ready.
Sunshine, come and see what it feels like. Higher, higher ladder that we climb. I know somewhere that you and we can stay wild.
Tell me why you hang up, or maybe what I need to do to keep you on the phone, so we can think this through. And I just wanna talk to you and give you every single reason why, but I can't get through. I can't get through to you. And the hardest part is waiting on the sun to come. So when you lay awake in bed tonight, I hope you think of all the times you left the conversation waiting for a chance that never came. And now you never get to see all the possibilities. Could have happened more tonight, but no. We'll wait till tomorrow. about the good stuff. Let's think about what makes us. And the hardest part is waiting on the sun to come. So when you lay awake in bed tonight, I hope you think of all the times you left the conversation waiting for a chance that never came. And now you'll never get to see all the possibilities. Could have happened all tonight, but no. Wait till tomorrow.